Buscat Island.
Is it 9? What time is it? 6:40? Yo, I have to go for a walk. I haven't walked for a day now. I haven't walked for a week. I always walk it, always. No, now I'm late for walking. Yo, this is the car from my last video. He gave it to me, the dark voice. He gave this car to me, and today we're gonna go camping later. And let's go for a walk. It's kind of nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna run. Is there until I circle back? Yeah, this is a perfect walk. Why is this neighborhood not popular? Before it was popular. Now why is it not popular? Okay, I'm gonna walk. Oh, there's no cars. Thank you, Lord. Oh, I can walk in his property.
Depende sa hangin, kung saan banda ng isla, malinis.
This exercise is kind of great.
Yung banda, yung mga seagrass kasi doon galing yung hangin.
But, oh my God.
Galing dito yung hangin, doon naman yung malinis. Sa ngayon, nakikita nyo, walang kahit anong basura.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna go there.
Sobrang linis.
Wait. Is this his house? Wait. Is this his house? No, he has two cars.
Bisipit. Parang ngipin na ito ng tao. Paano na lang sir kung masipit ka nito?
Yo,
Parang makagat ka na rin ito ng
this car's so cool. Yo, I like this car. Wait, I think I have two cars.
Isa na nga sa gilid natin. Kaya tinawag ko itong Crocodile Island dahil nga sa kung dito sa likod.
Yeah,
Kung sa forma na parang turtle. Pero pagka dito sa gilid, parang po siyang
yeah, I also have that a nice pickup. I mean another. Wait, I can buy a pickup. I'm just gonna spawn it. Yeah, this one is perfect. I should use this for camping next time. But I'm gonna use the red one because it's new. But this is new too. I can fit a trailer in it.
Dito na nag-family outing. Marinig dito sa ating audio na meron ng pero wag na muna natin intindihin yun. Ang pinunta ko dito.
I'm gonna go camping now.
Enchanted Rose.
Maawat maingay man, ang popular na dalawang pasidong nasa harap ng matukay. Tila kabaliktaran naman ito, ang katahimikang bumabalot sa likod ng
Stop
bato.
sign.
Yan sir, ito po yung inaakit po dito. Wala po tayong gagamiting harness, pa at kamay lang.
Hamon man para sa
No one
amin,
there,
pasukin
no
ng
one.
ibu paternalista ay aming sinubukang lapitan ang umano'y engkantadang tubig na pinamamahayan ng dalawang misteryosong isla.
Oh, there's the church. There's it's not ordinary.
So matapos
It's
ang ilang
for semis, I think.
babaan dito,
Wait.
kapit. Dikit. Itong mga matatalim na bato.
Hey, yo!
Itong enchanted.
Oh no, you almost tried to hit me.
Yung misteryosong
What's
isla.
wrong with that guy?
So, hindi tulad
I wish
sa
there was
isda.
police in this
Dito, yung
video.
mga bangus, hindi ganun kailap. Kaya, malayo pa lang, ay tanong na natin silang lumalangoy dito sa gitna nitong lagoon. Pag malakas yung ulan, parang nagdadagdag din yung tubig, yung level ng tubig. Hindi natin masabi, baka may butas din dito, doon dumadaan yung tubig din. Kasi may alat din to eh. Hindi lang bracket
Okay.
water, yung galing sa
Gonna
ulan.
park.
Wala, may pwedeng maalat to. Pero hindi siya yung maalat na maalat talaga.
I hope this is my
Ito,
favorite one because
naghahalo ko yung taba.
Yep.
Ganyan, no?
I hope this isn't sold out because it is sold out.
Kalat hindi lang dito sa isla.
I'm not going
hindi
camping and this video is gonna be ended.
Tungkol dito sa mga isla.
Yo, is that thing sold out? There's one left.
Base din sa isang kwentong narinig
Oh,
namin,
yes!
kahit ilang dekada na nakakalipas
Finally!
sa bahagi ng isang mga isda, ang isa sa
Oh,
mga
at
isla na dito
least
sa Laguna ng
there was
Matukay.
one left. Yo, someone's gonna buy it.
Ang bangus Kaya agad
Oh,
natin
really?
nasulit at
Yes.
umuwi sa
We already
kanilang
bought
bahay
it.
tuwid. Pinagsaliban ito ng mag-asawa kasama na rin sa nilang anak
Okay,
na nasa
we're
isang
gonna-
taong gulang pa lang.
Here's your keys. Wait, how did you get my keys? We get keys secretly. But are you a stealer and you try to give it back? No, we
So dahil
give
sa walang gumagalaw dito sa
we
isda,
still-
walang nagtatangkang
we get the
kainin
key
ito,
because
kaya kung
we
makikita
gonna
po natin, kung
connect the
mapapansin po
car
natin,
to
hindi na
the
po
trailer
binili
so
ng
you
ito ng
won't
isda.
do it. Oh, thanks.
Yung isa dyan, more than 40 years na daw yung tagal dyan. Pero
Oh,
yung
is it
isa dyan,
no?
nung 2018 lang namin nakita. Kaya
Oh, this
medyo
is
konta siya. Mga
actually
7 years pa lang yung isa dyan.
Oh, where's my? Oh, there it is. Yo, this place is traffic.
Nalaman natin na alas 3 na.
Oh,
Ng
dang,
hapon.
you almost hit me.
Na malapit na magtagulan. Ganito na
If
dahil
you hit
yung
me,
sa-
I'm
dito
don't.
sa
I'm not.
paghapon na, lalakas
This
yung
video
hangin,
will be
bigla,
this
ganito.
this video will be
Bawat ilang oras na
ended
po
because
ginugo natin dito
my
sa mga
characters
isla, dito
have-
sa Karamoan,
Yo, don't.
ay napunta naman po
Bro,
natin
how
yung
did
mga
he just-
rason kung
Is
bakit
that a
dumadayo
ghost
ito
car?
yung mga turista.
Yo, I don't know where to come.
Big Sustansya! Tambalan Big Sustansya plus sarap.
Yo, why did my flashing lights just?
Don't let sweat break your pace. Use Rexona Arctic Rush with thermocool technology for long-lasting freshness. Buy now.
Okay, I'm gonna buy stuff here. Oh, please don't. Oh,
Kung marami yung
oh.
gumagawa dito ng bangka. Marami.
I can't park in there because
Dito sa kabilang bahay, meron din
I
yan.
have to.
Meron din yan dito, marami kasi dito. Yung gumagawa. Puro badyaw
I have to turn around here.
Wow.
It's gonna be a rough turning. I have to stay in the edge so much. Yeah, like this. And turn.
Ayan, so pagkatapos ng halos isang oras na
Oh,
akyatan, mula doon sa baba hanggang dito sa tuktok netong Bugbugaw, ay narating po natin etong lugar kung saan tanaw po natin ang napakagandang
Okay.
isla o tanaw po natin yung mga
I
isla
don't know
na
what's
sakop
there.
netong probinsya. So, nandito po pala tayo ngayon sa bahaging ito ng Tawi-Tawi
Yo, I
kung saan
hope
makikita
I
yung
hope the police don't
netong
put the
probinsya.
ticket.
Dito sa kabila,
Oh, else I'm
yung
gonna
sentro
be
ng Bugao.
dead. I
Ito
have
po yung Sanga-Sanga
My parents
Airport
told
na
me to
nasa
buy
Sanga-Sanga
something.
Island at sa kabila
Ooh,
yung mainland
San Busi.
ng Tawi-Tawi.
Yeah, I
Ngayon,
like
kaya
that.
tayo napadpad dito, ipupuntahan po natin yung mga kakaibang lugar na dito lang natin
Oh,
makikita
light.
sa bahaging ito ng Mindanao. Yan, so hindi ko lubos akalain na mararating natin itong bahaging ito ng Pilipinas dahil nasa sobrang layo nito mula sa sentro, mula sa Manila, dati hindi ganun kaganda
And
yung
this.
transportasyon papunta dito. Pero buti na lang.
How much will all of
Ay, meron
these
ng
be?
airport at meron ng daily flight papunta dito.
They all gonna be 500 because each is 100 of those. These are the most expensive.
hours yung biyahe dito sa dagat.
Yes.
Pero kung dito lang sa aeroplano sasakay, hindi abot ng isang oras yung biyahe papunta
Wait,
dito.
what's my other light? There. Yes. Oh, that's gonna be 530. Here's the money.
Malapit po kasi ito
Please
ang
not
sa
ticket.
Malaysia.
Please not ticket.
Nasa
Where did you
couple
park?
hours away lang.
I did not park
Ang
normally.
Tawi
Come.
ay unang-
Okay.
unang term ay Jawi-Jawi,
Oh,
meaning
you might
far
have a
away, parang
ticket.
malayong-malayo.
No, I don't. The
Alauna
police.
ay yung Tawi-Tawi na
It's
hindi natin
what
alam
is it today
masyado
actually?
kamasyal kung bakit ang Tawi-Tawi, pero
It's
Jawi-Jawi po
Friday.
siya
They
na
don't have
far
work on
away.
Friday. Oh. Yeah. Saturday until Monday, they don't have work. Saturday, Monday up to
Bungaw po kasi
Up
nasa ano
to
siya, sa municipality of Bungaw. Yung Bud kasi it's
Tuesday.
based
After
on
Friday, their
mountain
holiday.
perfect
And
month.
after that,
Bungaw,
it's
mountain
after
Bungaw.
that. You know what I've done? Phew, at least it's my lucky day. Yeah.
Kung
Go.
nakaraang vlog natin, yung mga pinupunta natin bundok, yung
Wait,
pag-vlog
wrong
natin
way.
ay mula baba pataas. Ngayon naman, mula taas, pababa tayo. At ipapakita po natin kung bakit sikat etong Bugbunggaw sa mga turista. Grabe. Bakit kami dito kanina ay
Sleep.
talaga namang namangha ako at yun, excited na ako.
Yo,
ipakita
this
sa
is the
inyo
end
kung
of
ano
the
yung mga
video
nakita
because
namin
my
paakyat
character
dito. So,
is
tara.
gonna
So,
it's gonna stay here. museum. I'll post this in.
So mapapansin po natin dito, etong higanteng
This will
puno
be
na
the
nasa
second
gilid lang
episode. Bye.
neto